Okay, so because I cut out this brick from another stamp, and you can do that with cardboard, by the way. Check it out. I can place, because I don't want to have to bend this brick to get in this corner, I'm placing this brick for space. So I know that this stamp is going to go here. I'm lining it up with my top of the marble or granite, whatever it is. And this is Den Edwards paint. I did Swiss Coffee and Whisper, but the Swiss Coffee I mixed with a little bit of gray. And this is a primer that I bought from Den Edwards. So check this out. And then I'm going to show you. So instead of having to turn a corner, look how pretty that is. So instead of having to turn that corner with the brick stamp, you can use this as a marker. And like I said, cut out a piece of cardboard or a piece of foam works really well from a craft store. And you can mark it. And then watch, this will fit right in there. And that way you're not bending the brick stamp and making yourself crazy. So look, this will go right in here. Make sure it's straight. You can use a level, but it'll fit just like a puzzle piece. See, that one slipped a little bit. That's all right. And then we're gonna go right in here. We're gonna go this way. I'm gonna pull this back so I don't mess up the grout line. And then I'm gonna go this way. Again, I'm gonna hit right there so that I keep my grout line. And stamp it. See how you get your little nooks and crannies, and then you can hit that with a brush. But look how easy that was to do your placement of the next brick stamp, and then I'll do the next one. So we'll be back.